Hello from the Second Age of Reason. Still walking through the woods, but the wind, it got my attention. The wind speaks. Now, by speaking you might imply sound. There was a song also, paint with the colors of the wind. No. You have it all wrong. Wind. If you're seeing colors, I don't know. The sound of it is not usually the sound of the wind itself. It's the sound of things that the wind is moving. What wind is? Wind is touch. Wind feels. It moves the leaves. It moves the clouds. Wind is hands. It's the hands in the sky that reach down. Shapes the clouds. Shapes our weather. That's the wind. It communicates by touching us. What's it saying? It's saying, you have a little while until winter. Take appropriate measures. Store food. Dress warmer. Fine. Now I have a difficult stairway to navigate here. Surprise! You can't just walk like you're at your own house. This isn't your own house. This is nature. These are rocks, trees, the wind. The wind I have just figured out. It speaks by touching. It doesn't speak with words to your ears. I mean, it can touch your ears. Wind doesn't have colors. Colors come from rainbows. That's water, that's not wind. Entirely different. However, wind can carry water. Because like I said, wind is hands. Wind grabs. Wind pushes. Wind touches. Tickles, communicates in its own way. That's my take on it. Right? And the sun provides illumination. Back on the trail we go. Be seeing you.